Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I can create this famous quality edit on CapCut. So you can use this for videos, but I'm just going to be showing you guys with a picture. So select the picture or video, and then you are going to select adjust. Then you are going to find the graphs. You're going to move all of the dots that are on the right on the bottom. Like you're going to put it on the bottom, and you're going to put the ones on the left, and you're going to move it to the top, and you're going to do that for all of the colors. So I'm just going to do that to the green, and then lastly the blue. It's basically creating like a negative kind of color, as you can see. Then you're going to close this. You're going to press the checkmark button. Then you're going to go to Effects, Video Effects, go to Basic, and add in the blur effect. Press the checkmark button and adjust it to about 70. Once you're done, you're going to export that. Select Done, open up that project, and you're just going to delete the effects and everything. So I'm just going to go back to adjust and go to graphs and select reset and close that. Press the checkmark button to go to overlay, add overlay, and add in that video picture that we just exported. Adjust it so it fits the whole screen. Go to splice and choose color burn, and you're going to adjust it to around like 65. Then you're going to add in a white background as an overlay. So go to overlay and go to add overlay. Select stock videos and choose the white background, and you're going to adjust it. Go to splice, and then you're going to select overlay. If this is too harsh for you, you can slide it down just a little bit, like so. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!